Got some food. Pang, got Leo there. What you get, bro? What a week. Look, we're hungry. We're eating at the mall right now. But this shit's really fire. But you're in the Discord. We just did like some crazy trades this week. Look at the gains. Boom, boom. But yeah, it's gotta be crazy. But I'm gonna enjoy my ride. So see you guys after we're done. Just went to the mall. Finna go back to the crib. Just go to the garden. Smoke up and shit. Shout out to the Discord. You know, we finna get right. Stuff like that. Say something for the Discord. Huh? Say something for the Discord. Yo, what's up, everyone? Great day today. Amazing week. We had some crazy bangers. We just ate. Had some Chinese food. It was cool. It was cool. But yeah, if you want to be a part of the team, part of the Discord, links in the bio. Honestly, join my free streams if you like. Might have a couple of gems that you might mess with. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. See you guys when we get back to the house. Yeah, we here, baby. Yeah, we here, baby. No bullshit. Now let's play some music and leave. Finna head out. Oh, so we walking. Yo, what's up, everyone? We're back today, man. Part 2. I'm really hungry. I think we're getting some Mexican food. That's what PutBrothers got put in the GPS. So hopefully it's good, and if it's not, then he's getting banned from the Discord. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, see you guys when we get there. Right now we're just driving. Hopefully there's no like ghetto parking spots, bro, or we're gonna go somewhere else. But, yeah, we're here now, bro. The bullshit. Let's go. Yo, can't hit it too hard. All for you, brother. Solid core. I don't know what the fuck that is. Apartment complex. Dude, there's a lot of like non-ghettos out here. I think I'm the only ghetto here. Where the bitties at though? I'm trying to look for some biddies. What the hell's that? We're looking for a couple guys for media no. Guy. He's been stressing about work lately, so he needs it. Some pie. He eating good, boy. That boy was eating. Look at they pictures. Alright, where the bitties at? Look. The riding scooters. Where the hell is it? Oh, him. Hell. Look at this guy. No, don't stop dancing, bro. Damn. Hey, he with all the girls though, so he going crazy. He going wild, you know, he doing his thing. That's how he be hit off the IWM. It's great. Dance class he got, but dang, he knows something. He knows exactly what he's doing. All right, where do I go? I gotta take it right. Yeah. Shit's going down, bro. It's going down again. Oh, the black cop. We can't find no traffic. I mean, no parking. No, they're pulling him. They're pushing his car. Oh, his battery's dead. Yeah, they're pushing his car, bro. Like, shout out to all the Good Samaritan police, and you know they're doing their deed. Shout out to Julius from Everybody's Chris doing this thing. So about time my taxpayer money do something. I'm like, can y'all get the fuck on y'all carts, nigga? Put this in the trunk so you don't get fucked up. We out here now. Yo, what's up, everyone? We're here. We are here. I'm not gonna say it, but we'll say it when we leave. All right. He gotta put his stuff up. I'm about to get some food and shit. See what the fuck they got. Bro, we need to get an alert. Yeah, you gotta be an alert today. Hell yeah, fam. boy got that shit. Chicken tacos and shit.
I don't know why they put these big ass onions here, but I'll give them a Tony or something. Who knows?
Shit. We just finished eating food and shit. Hey, you like the food, Wade?
That was cool. They had some tacos. It was actually really cheap.
Yeah.
Cheap, but it was cool.
It was good though.
Right now we're just walking around. I'm probably looking out now.
I'm sure trying to find some hoods though.
That's what the dude was dancing.
Don't forget, guys, join the VIP, join the Discord. We hit all them games together.
Should we go in here?
Yeah, fuck it, why not? All I need is a blunt right here.
Dude, I'm telling you, bro.
Chill, for real, for real. What a hell's that though?
It's like a chill area, bro.
Not for real.
Pretty cool out here.
I would sit over under that tree and just smoke a blunt.
Dude,
Chill there.
Dude, that's gonna be the craziest.
No bullshit. We got some motherfucking ice cream and shit. We still chilling, put bro shit. Sometimes you gotta enjoy life, man. For real.
What the is this, bro?
We gonna make it out of the streets.
They got these demon things right here, bro. We rebuking in Jesus' name, bro. Look, y'all don't have to do these demon things to get
For the tarot cards?
to do any of that, bro. Just stay away and go with Jesus, bro. For real.
All they need is the Potter box way.
Just straight demon stuff, boy.
You think like witchcraft or some shit?
Yeah, look like witchcraft stuff. That is insane.
Hell yeah, man. About to head back to the crib and shit. You know, we had a good day. Chilling.
Well, I gotta stop by. That'd be great.
We can get caught slipping out here. Real bro shit. About to put on some gas right now. Type shit. Eastside shit. Football media guy. Y'all cheer for real, bro.
Yo, what's up, everyone? PutBrothers here. Want to say we had a great night. Just got back, and now about to go chill and probably watch the stars or something. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat or the VIP chats. Talk to the members, look at the games, see what we do here. Ask them for yourself.